Start by removing your front tires. You will need to remove your drag link and tie rod next. We removed the pitman arm, but this is not necessary. Drill out the pitman arm and both spindles to 5/8 of an inch. The bar with one bend attaches to the pitman arm and the top of the passenger spindle. The bar with two bends connects to the bottom of both spindles. Make sure the orientation of the misalignment washers is correct. After installing, you will need to align the front end of your Jeep as necessary. All of the ends are right-hand threads since it cannot be adjusted while attached to the vehicle.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.